Welcome again to BMWworldstickers.com. Lately we have been adding new GS models to our panel. 2 weeks ago we presented the Rally R1250Gs Adv in stickers of blues, reds and greys, apart from the blacks and whites. Now this time, as you can see, we have the yellow map for the lovely GS 1250 Adventure 40th anniversary. The application, as you can see, is on dry, although you can drop a bit of water if it helps. The characteristics of this product are against UV protection, water, fuel chemicals, cleaning fluids. Like for instance, if you get to the petrol station, you park quite near the pump and you are putting petrol and you don't see when the tank gets full. Petrol goes to the left of the bike as you have the bike on the side stand. After that, I can assure you, the sticker will not move due to the fact that you put petrol over. It will stay. My previous bike had 65,000 kilometers and the stickers, they never moved. So apart from this, the professional finish, it added gloss and as well thickness, scratch and friction protection, especially on the side and tank back areas where scratches are most happening. Nothing of this, it will happen on this sticker. And you can peel it off if you get tired of the design or you decide to sell your bike. So I wish you the best. Please visit our website, BMWworldstickers.com. Happy rides, safe rides, and above all, be safe. The best wishes. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to different channels, YouTube, Facebook, or my website, BMWworldstickers.com. Thank you.